Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 roly mo. He's the rolliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
La 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 la. Hello to you. How do you do? It's Baby Mo's birthday today, and I'm going to ask Uncle Roly if we can make something special for me to take home to her. Ready? Then off we go!
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just having a rummage through my busy box. Look, isn't this a lovely colour?
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just showing our friends this piece of cloth.
Oh, it's so soft. And it's yellow. That's Baby Mo's favourite colour. It's Baby Mo's birthday today. Hello, Baby Mo. Uncle Roly, can we make something special for Baby Mo?
Of course we can. Now, let's see. If it's a birthday, what we need is...
A card. That's what we can make. A card for Baby Mo.
Oh, now that is a good idea. I think I've got some card in my useful chest. Shall we go and find it?
Yes, let's.
Yugo! Migo! Wigo! Amigo! Let's a go-go!
Hold on a Roly Mo. What's this?
It's yellow.
Yes, I know that, but what is it?
It's gone all dark. Help! Help! Ah!
It's not a hat then.
No, I don't think it's a hat. You look like the yellow Snello. Give us a bellow, yellow Snello.
What's that noise?
Oh, look at that. It's a yellow Snello here in my living room.
Oh, hello, little Bo.
Toot toot, little snoot. Can I have my piece of yellow back?
Of course you can.
What's it for?
I'm going to make a card with it.
A cardi bit. A cardi bit. Oh, we want to make cardi bits too. Don't we, Yugo?
We do.
All right then. Now, here's some card for you, little Bo. And now let's see what we can find for you to make your cards with.
Yippity!
Dippity!
Shall I show you how I'm going to make my card? I'm going to make a cuddly card. I put that just there. And then this glue. Like that. Baby Mo's going to love this card. Then put it on there. Like that. Pat it down. There. One cuddly card. Now I'm going to draw a sunshine face on it.
Now, what kind of card are you going to make?
Oh, don't know. What kind of card is little Bo making?
Oh, she's making a birthday card for Baby Mo. Do you know anyone who needs a birthday card?
Yeah,
Who?
me.
You? But it's not your birthday today.
No, it's not my birthday today, so I'm going to make a not my birthday card.
Oh, what a good idea, Yugo.
What kind of card are you going to make, Migo?
Tell you later.
Snooter Gator? my birthday today.
And we didn't come to say.
Not my birthday today.
Hooray!
Not my birthday today.
Hooray!
Not my birthday today.
So, have you all finished your cards?
Yes.
One card for Baby Mo.
This card is for you, Migo. If it's not my birthday today, then it must not be your birthday today, too.
Oh, thank you, Yugo. And look, I've made a card for you too.
It's upside down.
Yes, it's an upside down card. Happy Upside Down Day!
Now, what else can I give to Baby Mo for her birthday? Busy book, let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Fimbo! What are we going to do today, Fimbo?
Look, Baby Pom's got a present.
I wonder what it is.
It's got a very long, thin bit at the top.
And a big round bit at the bottom. I know that sound. What is it?
It's a guitar.
Florrie's got a present.
What do you think it is?
Let's see if we can guess.
Do you know what that sound is?
Is it a car? It's a toy car.
Well done.
Fimbo has got a present too. It's round.
What can we think of that's round?
This present is bouncy too.
What can we think of that's round and bouncy?
A ball. Balls are round and they're bouncy too. It's a ball.
What's that? Rocket!
Thank you, everyone. See you again soon. That's what I need for Baby Mo. I need a present. What can I give her?
Shall we have a story while we're thinking?
Oh, yes, please, Uncle Roly.
Come with me and we'll find one.
Story time with Roly Mo.
Our favourite time of day!
When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see?
When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be.
With cats and dogs and birds and frogs.
A monkey who says boo,
Boo! Wonderful things, giants and kings.
and maybe a Fimble or two.
Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you might see?
a story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. One special story, if you please. Ah, thank you. Now then, are you all sitting comfortably?
Yes!
Good. Then I'll begin. Loopy loved being a clown. The only thing he didn't like about it was walking on his hands. His mum and dad tried to get him to practice, but somehow Loopy always found something else to do. So one day, they thought of a way to help. When Loopy got up in the morning, the kitchen was a terrible mess. Then he saw why. His dad was pouring oats into a cereal bowl, but the bowl was upside down. "Why are you doing that?" asked Loopy. "It's upside down day," said his dad. "It's the one day in the year when we do everything upside down." "Well, that's odd," thought Loopy. He'd never heard of upside down day before, but he did his best. He buttered his toast on the bottom instead of the top, and he drank his milk upside down. It got really messy. Then Loopy went in the garden to play. All his toys were upside down. Uncle Dan arrived. "Happy Upside Down Day, Loopy," said Uncle Dan. "Why are you walking like that?" asked Loopy. "It makes the whole day easier," said Uncle Dan. "It means everything is upside down already without me having to do anything. Here, you try." Loopy did a handstand. Uncle Dan was right. It was easier. Then Uncle Dan showed him how to play upside-down football, and Loopy was very good at it. His mum and dad laughed and clapped. Loopy got to his feet. "It isn't really upside-down day, is it?" he asked. "For clowns like us, every day is upside-down day," said Dad. "We wanted to show you that it's fun being upside down." And they did. Lovely.
I love that story, Uncle Roly. Baby Mo would love that story too.
Well, why don't you take this book and read the story to Baby Mo for her birthday?
Oh, thank you, Uncle Roly. You are the moliest.
Happy birthday, Baby Mo!
It's your birthday, Baby Mo.
Hip, 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 hooray!
It's your birthday, Baby Mo.
It's a very special day. It's your birthday, Baby Mo. And we just came to say happy birthday to Baby Mo. Happy birthday to Baby Mo. Happy birthday to you, Baby Mo. It's your birthday, Baby Mo, and we just came to say happy birthday to Baby Mo. Happy birthday to Baby Mo. Happy birthday to you, Baby Mo.
Haven't we had fun today?
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now, it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Cheerio!
Not my birthday today.
Oh, Migo,
Yes, Roly.
would you like some Not My Birthday Moly Munchies?
Would I like some Not My Birthday Molly Munchies? Would I like some Not My Birthday Molly Munchies? Yes, please, Roly.
There's a friend in Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground, and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 roly mo. He's the roliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
Hello to you. How'd you diddly do? Oh, I bet you're surprised to see me. My friend Roly Mo asked me to come specially early today, because today is a really special day. Come with me and find out why. Ready? Then off we go.
Yum, 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 yummity yum. Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just making some very special things for a very special person.
Hippity hoppity hoo! How do you diddly do? Hey!
Oh, hello there, Rocket. Have you told our friends what we're doing today?
Yes, I have. But I haven't told them who we're doing it for. I am the... frog.
Well done, Rocket. See if you can guess who the special person is. I've made Moly Munchies and Guacamole. Now I've just got to make the cake.
Oh, yummity yum! What can I do, Roly?
Well, you can go and see what Yugo and Migo are up to.
Righty-ho, Roly! Back in a hippity-hop! Hey!
Ooh, this is an exciting day.
Toot toot, you snoots!
Rocket, rocket, rocket.
In my pocket!
Ooh, what are you doing?
We're making decoration.
Oh, tippity-toppity, I'll help you. I am the decorating frog.
Then let's go-go!
Migo! So, what are you doing, Migo?
I'm decorating this piece of paper.
Ooh.
I'm going to put the tinsel up.
And I'm going to make some paper chains. Ooh, I do like special days. My very special day goes like this. My very special day starts with a kiss. My very special day is being with you. My very special day
Is playing with you too. My very special day is always the same. My very special day is snootling in the rain. My very special day, splish, splash, splosh. My very special day.
It's not having to wash. My very special day is something good to eat. My very special day, a special tea time to read. My very special day, yummity, yummity, yum. My very special day.
I would like to hum, 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 and singing this song. My very special day, hopping along. My very special day, a day for us to share. It's such a special day when you are there.
Me-go-rific!
Tippity-toppity!
You-go-rific. Yes, you-go-rific.
Hello, everybody.
What do you think, Roly?
Oh, dear. It's a very good, Rocket. Very good, I think.
Anything else we can do to help?
Why don't you go and get a story, Rocket, while I just finish off the decorating?
Oh, tippity-toppity, I am the story-reading frog. I'll be back in a hippity-hop. Hey!
Story time with Rocket the Frog.
Our favourite time of day!
When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see? When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo. Wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a thimble or two. Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. Ha! Can I have a special tippity-toppity story? Oh, thank you. Hey, moly mo roly. That is tippity-toppity tidying up.
Oh, thank you, Rocket. I wonder if our friends have worked out why it's a special day yet. Time for another clue, I think, Rocket.
Oh, yes. Ooh, Roly's made a cake. Ooh, Yugo and Migo have made decorations. And I've got another clue here. Listen carefully and see if you can guess. Are you sitting comfortably?
Yes!
Good. Then I'll begin. Baby Martha was nearly 1 year old. Her brother Josh wanted her to have a birthday party. But Mum said no. Martha doesn't understand birthdays, she explained. She's too little to have a party. Josh was very disappointed. He wanted to do something really special for his baby sister. Josh and Mum went shopping to buy Martha's presents. Josh chose a pink cuddly rabbit with soft floppy ears. On the way home, Josh thought about Martha's birthday. I bet you'd like to go to a party, he whispered to the rabbit. Suddenly, he had a brilliant idea. The next day was Martha's birthday. She wanted to play with Josh, but he was busy doing something in his bedroom and he wouldn't let anyone see, not even Mum or Dad. Please, can you blow this balloon up? Josh asked Mum. What do you want it for? It's a secret, replied Josh, and he dashed back into his bedroom. A little later, he came out again. Have we got any ribbon? He asked Dad. What do you want it for? Wait and see, answered Josh. At last, Josh was ready. He threw open the door. His bedroom was decorated with streamers and balloons, and all of Martha's toys were sitting in a big circle. It's party time, he cried. Martha went straight to the pink cuddly rabbit and gave it a big hug. Dada, she said. I think that means thank you, smiled Dad. Mum brought in the cake and everyone sang happy birthday to Martha. Then Josh helped Martha unwrap the rest of her presents. Martha didn't understand any of it, but she had a lovely time. And everyone agreed that Josh had given her the best birthday party ever. Lovely.
Do you know why it's a special day today?
I know!
I know too.
Oh, come on then, tell us.
It's someone's birthday.
Is it?
Can you guess whose birthday it is?
Hello to you. How do you do?
It's Little Bo! Quick, hide!
Shh.
Hello to you. Look at these decorations. They're beautiful. But where is everyone?
Boo!
Boo!
Happy birthday!
To you!
Happy birthday, little Bo!
Thank you. It's my birthday today.
Hey, did you guess? Did you? Hey!
Oh, happy birthday, little Bo. Have you looked in your busy book yet, little Bo?
Oh, no. Busy book. Let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Fimbo. What are we going to do today, Fimbo?
Look, Baby Pom's got a present.
I wonder what it is.
It's got a very long, thin bit at the top.
And a big round bit at the bottom. I know that sound. What is it?
It's a guitar.
Florrie's got a present.
What do you think it is?
Let's see if we can guess.
Do you know what that sound is?
Is it a car? It's a toy car.
Well done.
Fimbo has got a present too. It's round.
What can we think of that's round?
Oh, this present is bouncy too.
What can we think of that's round and bouncy?
A ball. Balls are round and they're bouncy too. It's a ball.
What's that? Rocket! Happy birthday, little Mo.
Thank you, Fimble, Florrie and Baby Pom. And thank you for my lovely decorations too.
I've got something else for you here, little Mo. It's a banana cake.
A pyjama cake?
Oh, that's my favourite. Uncle Roly, you are the moliest.
Oh, little Mo.
It's your birthday, little Bo.
Hip, 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 hooray!
It's your birthday, little Bo. It's a very special day. It's your birthday, little Bo. And we just came to say happy birthday to little Bo. Happy birthday to little Bo. Happy birthday to you, little Bo.
Can we eat the pyjama cake now?
Well, it's been a special day today.
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Cheerio!